What's up guys? Today we are here to show you why you should be so excited about the new features on the completely redesigned DOD-GN. Right up front, starting out, we have the engineered beam neck now integrated into the DOD. This neck was designed about 6 years ago and has been stood the test of time on the FMAX series of deck over goosenecks, and again is now integrated into the DOD. You've got the nice radiuses here instead of those hard bends like you see with structural necks. The radiuses really relieve some of that stress when you're loaded heavy. The neck still, as it has, comes with the wide toolbox between the neck, giving you ample storage and houses your pump assembly and battery. You get the charger right up front. Always dual jacks with Diamond C, no question. When you got a trailer like this, you don't want peg leg Pete up front. You need those dual jacks for support. Now moving on to one of my favorites is the actual fold down sides. One of the things that we knew we had to improve was the fold down sides, because before this, no one, I repeat, no one's deck over dump sides were great. They all were terrible, honestly. Even ours before, they were heavy, especially this is a 16-footer, 16-foot fold down sides, almost a two-man job. You really struggled. Now, you don't struggle anymore. It's one touch easy fold is what we call it, much like a truck tailgate. Operate the handle from here and easily put the sides down. And then obviously you can reverse it. The function of the sides, you put them down to be able to side load palleted goods, maybe a bundle of lumber, things like that, side, rock, whatever. If you need to side load it, now it makes it super easy. One man does it all day long. Goes right back up, just like that. Moving to the rear of the trailer, we have a host of upgrades back here that all together really make for a much improved user experience. Number one, we integrated the door holdbacks from the LPT. No more change, just easily open the door and lock it back. Reverse lights now standard on the DOD as well as all other Diamond C models. We increased the ramp length from 6.5 feet up to 8 feet long to make the loading angle much better for loading equipment. We have the center slam latch for much easier operation there as well. And then lastly, the rear stabilizer drop legs for whenever you're loading that equipment to really stabilize your loading approach. A significant upgrade that the DOD has that all Diamond Cs with 7 and 8K axles have received lately is the all new slipper roller suspension. What that is it is an updated suspension from the archaic slipper spring suspension. It now has rubber torsion effect, so it gives you a slightly better ride, but also it wears for longer. You have increased maintenance intervals, therefore it's an investment. You got better ride, longer life. Next, we're moving to the undermount spare tire. No more getting it out from under the neck with the bed down. You have a handle in the toolbox that you just let it down easily, just like your truck, and slide it out from under the frame. No more having to pick it up off the neck or the side of the body. Super easy. We're gonna finish up with two major updates that happened to the DOD. We've got the engineered beam frame. Like we talked about with the neck, this engineered beam technology is on all DODs and DOD-GNs. And what it means is we put the metal where it counts the most per this specific application. This length, this weight rating, we have control over the height of the beam, the thickness of the material, the thickness of the web to give you the lightest, strongest frame on the market. Lastly is the telescopic cylinder, the only deck over dump on the market that has the fold down sides like it does that is telescopic. All of them are scissor lift and can so easily be either overloaded or front loaded. Well, not anymore. The telescopic cylinder we've run on the LPT for years has proved to be the toughest, strongest lifting mechanism or lifting top hoist in dump trailers. And so we put it right there on the front where you never have to question dumping a load again. Comment down below, what was your favorite new feature you saw on the DOD? Comment it down below and we'll see you on the road.